Prepare for flight. Drivers behind the line. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
And qualification match number 13 is underway as 2419 moves forward and deposits a gear onto the airship as their alliance partner 639 just barely miss. And the autonomous period counts down. And the Blue Alliance is able to get that first rotor turning, as is the Red. Team 6300 speeds over for the Blue Alliance over to the retrieval station. They grab a gear from their human player. They race over to the airship, line up with the lifts if they can drop it in, and the pilot is able to pick up their gear. And they'll be racking up those gears so they can get those rotors turning over on the Blue Alliance. Team 6300, as they make their way back to the retrieval zone, they drop a hopper onto the field. We got fuel balls everywhere. 2 rotors turning for the Blue Alliance, 2 rotors turning for the Red. The Rohawks speed over with another gear for the Red Alliance. They miss with their first pass onto the lift. They line up their shot. They'll go forward. They drop the gear, and the pilot brings up the gear for the Red Alliance. Northwood School Robotics doing work for the Blue Alliance as they bring one more gear over to that blue airship. As their opponent's code red Robotics 639 deplete yet another hopper onto the field. They race over to the boiler. They shoot high for the high efficiency goals. Unfortunately, the first 3 are misses. They line up. Let's see if they can get some more in there. They seem to have figured out they're throwing their fuel balls into the high efficiency goal for the Red Lions. And we're in the last 30 seconds of this match. The pilots drop the ropes onto the field. 28-69, the Regal Eagles line up with their ropes so they can climb. Their alliance partners, code red Robotics 639, is in the air, and a red light goes on. Blue light goes on from 6058. 6300 for the blue. Also get another light turning with 3, 2, 1. Two red lights, 1 blue light. We'll have to wait to see what the final score is. In that last match, there's a yellow card on 6648 for reaching their hand outside of the airship. And with that, the scores go up. Airships soar through the clouds. Let's see the finish line. Red Lions comes ahead. Score 325 to 135 from the Blue Alliance. All 3 teams move up on the Red Lions in the rankings with 2 extra ranking points. We'll have qualification match number 14.